One's attitude, actions, and general well-being can be negatively impacted by the vicious cycle of negative thinking. It is possible to overcome negative thoughts and switch to a more optimistic frame of mind. Here are some actions to follow to do that. Finding negative thought habits is the first step. Recognizing when you are thinking negatively is the first stage in overcoming it. Black and white thinking, catastrophic thinking, and pessimistic self-talk are just a few examples of negative thinking. You can begin to work on altering these behaviors once you've identified them. Step 2. Refute unfavorable ideas. It's crucial to challenge your negative thought patterns once you've recognized them. Consider the following inquiries: what evidence do I have to support this thought, and is this thought realistic? Negative ideas frequently originate from presumptions or misconceptions, so challenging them can help you view situations more clearly. Third step, engage in mindfulness. Being mindful involves practicing being in the present and objectively observing your ideas. It can assist you in becoming more conscious of your unfavorable thought habits and in learning to let them go. Consider incorporating mindfulness exercises into your everyday routine, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation. Step 4. Highlight the good. Concentrating on the positive parts of your life is another strategy for overcoming negative thinking. This can involve doing things like showing gratitude, making objectives, or participating in enjoyable activities. You can change your attitude and stop thinking negatively by concentrating on the good things in life. Step 5. Surround yourself with uplifting people. Your mindset may be significantly influenced by the individuals you spend most of your time with. Try to surround yourself with upbeat, encouraging individuals who inspire you to be your best self. Step 6. Look for expert assistance. It may be helpful to seek professional assistance if negative thinking is interfering with your everyday life or is challenging to overcome. Your negative thought habits can be identified, and a therapist or counselor can help you develop coping mechanisms. In conclusion, it requires time and effort to overcome negative thinking, but it is doable. You can replace negative thinking with a more positive mindset and enhance your general well-being by recognizing negative thought patterns, challenging negative thoughts, practicing mindfulness, focusing on the positive, surrounding yourself with positivity, and, if necessary, seeking professional help.